Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Body IQ. Have you ever slept for 8 full hours but still woke up feeling heavy, tired, and drained? You're not alone. Today we're breaking down why this happens. Ada, does this sound familiar?
Every single day. I sleep early, wake up after 8 hours, but I still feel like a truck ran over me. What's going on?
Dr. Ade, explain what's happening inside the body. Many people think sleep quantity is enough, but it's the quality that matters. If your sleep is constantly interrupted, your body never reaches deep restorative stages.
When you sleep with lights on or your phone nearby, blue light suppresses melatonin. Your stress hormones stay high. Your brain doesn't fully clean out toxins. Even if you sleep 8 hours, poor sleep quality means your small stay tense, inflammation builds up, and your energy stores aren't properly replenished.
So that's why I feel heavy and exhausted?
Exactly. Poor sleep also affects your blood sugar balance and oxygen flow. That's why some people feel like they have no strength even after enough sleep.
So what can people do to fix this? Sleep in complete darkness. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool. Maintain a consistent sleep time. These small changes dramatically improve sleep quality.
I'm definitely trying the darkness trick tonight.
Exactly. If you always feel tired even after sleeping, your body is trying to tell you something. Don't ignore it. Drop "I will sleep better" in the comments if this video spoke to you. Share it with someone who always feels tired. Thanks for watching Smart Body IQ. Protect your sleep. See you in the next one.